ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। पेज नंबर 1025 टीका। व्यभिचार निराश पूर्वकम भाष्यत्व अनुमानम उपपाद्य अनुमानांतरम आह। व्यभिचार निराश पूर्वकम भाष्यत्व अनुमानम we saw on 1022 in टीका line 3. यदवभाष्यम तत्स्वातिरिक्त अवभाष्यम अवभाष्यत्वात् यथा घटादि अवभाष्याच इयं बुद्धिः. Anything that is illumined is illumined by something other than itself. Swatirikta avabhasyatvam will come in that vishaya. Like Ghatadi are avabhasya. So buddhi is also avabhasya. Therefore, buddhi is buddhi vyatirikta sakshina avabhasya. This is the anumanam. So that in that vyabhichar was shown and that was eliminated. Further now, second anumanam is beginning. चैतन्य ग्राह्यत्वं तु घटादिभिर अविशिष्टम प्रदीपस्य. How will you do अन्वय of this वाक्य? चैतन्य ग्राह्यत्वं तु घटादिभिर अविशिष्टम प्रदीपस्य.
प्रदीपस्य चैतन्यग्राह्यत्वं तु घटादिभिः अविशिष्टम्.
प्रदीपस्य चैतन्य ग्राह्यत्वं घटादिभिर अविशिष्टम. घटादिभिर अविशिष्टम means it is not different from ghata. Illumination of Pradipa is not different from illumination of Ghata. Just as Ghata is illumined by Chaitanya, Pradipa is also illumined by Chaitanya. Tad Vyanjakam, Tat Swa Vijatiya Vyangyam. Yad Vyanjakam, Tat Swa Vijatiya Vyangyam. Yatha Suryadi Vyanjakancha Vijnanam. तस्माद् विज्ञान व्यतिरिक्तश्चिदात्मा सिद्ध्यति इत्यर्थः. यद व्यंजकम इस तत्स्व विजातीय व्यंग्यम. Anything that is illumined by swavijatiya, different from a similar kind of object. Swavijatiya Vyangya. Like Surya, Suryadi Vyanjakam, Suryadi are illumining other things. They get illumined by Vijnanam. Suryadi Vyanjakam cha Vijnanam. Tasmat Vijnana Vyatiriktam. So you have to understand there are four entities basically in example and what is to be illustrated, the Darshtanta. One is Ghata. Ghata is neither having bhautika illumination nor having spiritual illumination, let us say. It means it is not conscience, it is Jadavast. Then is Pradipa or Surya, the lamp or sun. They have the bhautika illumination. They can illumine other objects physically. But to know them, I need consciousness. One is Ghata, second is this lamp or sun. Third is Buddhivritti, Vijnanam. Buddhivritti I can use to know Pradipa also, Ghata also. Ghatakar Vritti, Pradipakar Vritti. But to know Buddhi, I need consciousness, Sakshi. So that is fourth one. So Ghata, Pradipa or Surya, Buddhi, Vijnanam, Sakshi. Just as to know Ghata, I need different illumination. To know Pradeep also, I need different illumination. So is true for Buddhi also. Pradipasya na so avabhasyatvam, kintu vijatiya chaitanya avabhasyatvam, iti sthite phalitamana. So Pradipa is not so avabhasya, it is not illumined by itself. But it needs vijatiya vastu like chaitanya avabhasyatvam, iti sthite phalitamana. Tasmat Vijnanasya atmagrahya grahakatve na pradipo drishtanta. So Siddhanti says, you are saying Vijnanam, Kshanika Vijnanam is atmagrahya, atmagrahaka. In that, Pradipa is not the right example. Pradipo na drishtanta. Yad grahakantara grahyam, yatha deepo grahyam chet grahyam cha idam vijnanam iti anumanantaram aha. Yad grahakantara grahyam, that which is grahya, like a lamp which becomes known. Grahakantara, another grahaka. Grahyam cha idam vijnanam, then idam vijnanam is also grahya. This is Bauddha Anumanam. You can see. Yad grahakantara grahyam yatha deepo grahyam cha idam vijnanam. Buddhas, how many avayavas do they need to do their Anumanam?
Two.
Anybody remembers the shloka? Who needs how many angas for Anumanam?
Tatra panchatayam kechit. Kechit dvayam. Vayam trayam.
Udaharana paryantam. Yadudaharanadikam. Tatra panchatayam kechit. Kechit, the Nyaya Vaisheshika, they say 5 angas are required to do Anumanam. Kechit dvayam, this is the Bauddha. They only need 2. Like this, you see this line. Yad grahakantara grahyam yatha deepo. This is one element. Grahyam cha idam vijnanam. So they need 2 things, Vyapti and Paksha Dharmata. That is enough. They say all these Parvato Vanniman, why you have to need you need pratignya and all. Just tell vyapti paksha dharmata over. Yad grahakantar grahyam yatha deepaha. Deepa is grahya and it is grahakantar grahya. Another grahaka is required. And the vijnanam is also grahyam. So therefore, you need chaitanya. Chaitanya grahyatvecha vijnanasya. So vijnanam is chaitanya grahyam. Kim grahya vijnana grahyata eva kim va grahaka vijnana grahyata iti tatra sandihyamane. Is there grahya vijnana grahyata or grahaka vijnana grahyata? Grahya vijnana grahyata. Vijnanam is grahya and it has grahyata, means it also becomes known by something else. So grahya vijnana grahyata or grahaka vijnana grahyata. That vijnanam which is grahaka and therefore it has grahyatvam. Tatra sandihyamane. So the doubt is that vijnanam known by the same vijnanam or is the vijnanam known by something other than itself? And that other thing could be vijnanam, a different kind of vijnanam. So that vijnanam which is grahya, that same alone, same vijnanam will become grahaka or another vijnanam will become grahaka. तत्र संदिह्यमाने वस्तुनि यो अन्यत्र दृष्टो न्यायः स कल्पयितुं युक्तो न तु दृष्ट विपरीतः. यो अन्यत्र दृष्टो न्याय. What is something that you have seen elsewhere? That kalpana you can do here. Not viparita kalpana, na tu drashta viparita. तथापि कथम त्वद इष्ट ग्राहक सिद्धि इत्याशंक्य विमृशति. Purvapakshi says, okay, even if this is the case, how Tvad Ishta Grahaka? Grahaka is Sakshi, according to Siddhanti. How will you do Siddhi of Sakshi, Atma? Siddhanti says, Tathacha Sati. Chaitanya Grahyatvecha Vijnanasya, that we have already seen. Kathan tarhi nirnayas tatraha. How will you do nirnaya? Then iti tatra sandihyamane vastuni yo anyatra drashto nyaya. What is seen elsewhere, same thing you have to apply for Vijnanam also, for Buddhi also. Astu lokanusari nishchayo. Lokastu katham ityashankya aha. Okay, let there be nishchaya based on how it is working elsewhere in the loka. How is that nishchaya? He gives the niyama, the nishchaya niyama. Tathacha sati yatha vyatiriktena eva grahakena bahyanam pradipanam grahyatvam drishtam. Tatha vijnanasyapi chaitanya grahyatvat. In the example, Pradipa is there. It is known by something other than that same Pradipa. Means Chaitanya. Chaitanya illumines Pradipa. So I gave you the example. He is taking this Pradeepa. Pradeepa has ability to illumine Ghata, but Pradeepa is known by Sakshi. Vijnanam has ability to illumine Ghata or Pradeepa. Vijnanam is illumined by Sakshi, different from itself. Like Pradeepa is illumined by something different from itself. व्यतिरिक्तेन इव ग्राहकेण साक्षिण बाह्यानां प्रदीपानां ग्राह्यत्वं दृष्टम्. Just as external objects are illumined by something else, तथा in the same way विज्ञानस्यापि चैतन्य ग्राह्यत्वात्. विज्ञानम is also चैतन्य ग्राह्य. चैतन्य ग्राह्यत्वात् प्रकाशकत्वे सति अपि प्रदीप व्यतिरिक्त चैतन्य ग्राह्यत्वं युक्तं कल्पयति. Vijnanam is also illumined by Chaitanya. Prakashakatve sati api Pradeepa Vyatirikta Chaitanya Grahyatvam. It is illumined by something other than sati api Pradeepavat, like lamp is illumined by something else. Yuktam Kalpaitum. Natu Ananya Grahyatvam. Ananya Grahyatvam means illumined by itself.
By itself.
11 number टिप्पणी स्वग्राह्य. तथापि कुतो विवक्षित आत्मज्योतिष तत्र. Okay, something else is there, but your vivaksha is to say Atma, which is Jyotish Swarupa. How will arrive at that? He says, Yascha Anyo Vijnanasya Grahita Sa Atma Jyotihi. That which is the illuminator of this Vijnanam Buddhi, that Grahita is Atma, that is Jyotihi. Antaram Vijnana, Jyotirantaram Vijnana. See 12 number tippani on that page. Sa Atma iti Vartik. There is a Vartika. Grahaka Grahana Grahya Bhava Bhavan Vibhagavit Grahana Deshcha Yo Bhinnaha Sa Atmetyavagamyatam. Grahaka Grahana Grahya Bhava Bhava Vibhagavit. The knower of this Vibhaga. Grahaka Grahana Grahya. Their Bhava and Abhava. Bhava Bhava Vibhaga. With the knower of that. Grahanadesha yo bhinna, the one who is different from all the grahana. So grahaka, grahana, grahya, grahana. Grahanadi means all them only. Grahaka, grahana, grahya. The one who is different from that is Atma. So this is how we proved there is Atma. And Shruti already said, Yoyam Vijnanamaya Praneshu Ityadi. Vijnanasya grahakantar grahyatve tasyapi grahakantar apekshayam anavastha prasakti riti shanka. Vijnanasya grahakantar grahyatve. Vijnanam is grahakantar grahya. Vijnanam is known by another grahaka, another illuminator. Then that other illuminator also will need another illuminator. Then another, so there will be anavastha. Tada anavastha iti chet kutastha bodhasya vijnana sakshino avishayatvat na anavastha iti pariharati. Sakshi is kutastha bodha rupa. It doesn't become vishaya. Kshanika Vijnanavada, they accept Vijnanam as Kshanikam and Grahyam. It becomes Vishaya of itself. Kutastha Vijnanam, according to us, Kutastha Bodha is Avishayatvat. It doesn't have Anavastha. Iti Pariharati. Na. यद ग्राह्यम तत् स्वातिरिक्त ग्राह्यम यथा घटादि इति ग्राह्यत्व मात्रम बुद्धि ग्राहकस्य यद ग्राह्यम whatever is ग्राह्यम तत् स्वातिरिक्त ग्राह्यम it is grahya by something other than itself like घट. So ग्राह्यत्व मात्रम बुद्धि ग्राहकस्य anything that has ग्राह्यत्व मात्रम बुद्धि ग्राहकस्य ततो वस्तु अंतरत्वे प्रदीपस्य स्व अनवभास्यत्व न्यायेन लिंगम उक्तम. ग्राह्यत्व मात्रम बुद्धि ग्राहकस्य buddhi which is grahaka also will have somebody who will illuminate. ततो वस्तुअंतरत्वे प्रदीपस्य स्व अनवभास्यत्व न्याय. And वस्तुअंतरत्व, what is the न्याय means what is the yukti? Just like a lamp doesn't illumine itself. So this is the lingam. Lingam uktam. न च बुद्धि साक्षिणो ग्राह्यत्वम अस्ति. The one who illumines buddhi, that sakshi, atma, it doesn't have grahyatvam. Why? Kutastha drishti swabhavyat. Tat kuto anavastha iti upapadayati. Therefore, Siddhanti says, how can there be anavastha? It does not become vishaya. Grahyatva matram hi tad grahakasya. Tad grahaka, that is sakshi. And sakshi is only नहीं. तद ग्राह्यत्व मात्रम ही तद ग्राहकस्य वस्तु अंतरत्वे लिंगम उक्तम न्यायता. तद ग्राहक इज बुद्धि विज्ञान साक्षिणः. बुद्धि विज्ञान साक्षी is different from buddhi vijnana. Sakshi, the grahaka is sakshi. Sakshi is different from buddhi vijnana, and it grahyatva matram
that which is grahya alone needs a grahaka.
Grahyatva matram is the pramanam, lingam. Grahyatva matram, lingam uktam. This way you have to do the anvaya. Grahyatva matram, lingam uktam. Nyayatah. A thing, so actually it is a general nyaya. A thing will be grasped by something else other than itself only when it has grahyatva. Kutastha sakshi does not have grahyatva. It is only grahaka. Therefore, there is no question of anavastha. Grahyatva matram is lingam. Sakshi does not have grahyatvam. Sakshi is only grahaka. Lingam uktam nyayata. Sakshi swatirikta grahyo grahakatvat buddhivat iti ashankya. Purva Pakshi will do this akshepa. Sakshi is also swa atirikta grahya because it is also a grahaka. Buddhi is grahaka, buddhi is swa atirikta grahya. Sakshi is also grahaka, sakshi will be swatirikta grahya. The ashankya natu ekantato grahakatve tad grahakantara astitve va kadachidapi lingam sambhavati. Ekantato grahakatve, it is only grahaka and not grahya. Grahakatve tad grahakantara astitve va, and If there is any other grahaka, then first you need some pramanam to prove that there is grahakantara. Grahakantara astitve va kadachidapi lingam na sambhavati. Lingam means pramanam. There is no pramanam to prove that there is any other grahaka. Every darshana will have to face some such issue, and different darshanas have solved this indifferently. For example, in Nyaya Darshana, Jnanam takes place. Then some other Jnanam they have to expect, which will know the first Jnanam. What is that Jnanam called?
Anuvyavasayika.
Anuvyavasaya Jnanam. So they say this is Anuvyavasaya Jnanam, which knows the first Jnanam. Prabhakara, how do they solve the problem? See, none of them, they have Sakshi. But they have to solve this problem. And their Atma is not Chaitanya Swarupa. So how do they solve this?
Vijnanam is Swayam Prakasha. It means Atma.
In their case, the Jnanam is Swayam Prakash. Knowledge that takes place, Ghata Jnanam, is Swayam Prakash. It will illumine itself. Kshanik Vijnana, they also say it is Swayam Prakasha. But their Swayam Prakasha is Prakashya Prakashaka, both. That is their idea of Swayam Prakasha. Vedanti, they say there is Sakshi different from this Vritti Jnanam, which is Swayam Prakasha. Grahakatvam hi grahana kartritvam va tat sakshitvam va. Now, Siddhanta is asking a question. What is grahakatvam? Grahakatvam kim? Is it grahana kartritvam one or tat sakshitvam? Grahaka is grahana karta or sakshi, grahana sakshi. आद्ये बुद्धि साक्षिणो मुख्य वृत्त्या ग्रहण कर्तृत्वे न किंचित लिंगम संभवति. If you say grahaka is grahana karta, so grahaka is Atma, which is Sakshi. If Atma, Sakshi is having an action of grahana, मुख्य वृत्त्या बुद्धि साक्षिणो मुख्य वृत्त्या ग्रहण कर्तृत्वे देयर इज नो लिंगम, देयर इज नो प्रमाण. 16 and 70 परमार्थतः इति यावत् न किंचित प्रमाणम संभवति. It is not मुख्य कर्म of Sakshi which it is doing of illumination. So it is not ग्रहण करता. द्वितीय तस्य ग्राहकांतर अस्तित्वे न कदाचिदपि प्रमाणम अस्ति. If you say it's Sakshi, another Sakshi, Sakshi 2 of the first Sakshi, in that there is no pramana. Therefore, there is no possibility of anavastha. Ityartha tatkuto anavastha. Tasma na tad anavastha prasanga. Therefore, there is no anavastha prasanga. Tasmat 7 number tippani. Swaprakashasya sakshino grahakantar anapekshatvat. Swaprakasha sakshi does not have any grahakantara apeksha. Grahaka anavastham parihritya karana anavastham ashankate. Okay, so another grahaka, this anavastha is eliminated. Now he says another karana anavastha shanka iti. Vijnanasya vyatirikta grahyatve karanantara apekshayam anavastha iti che. If Vijnanam is known by another grahaka called Sakshi, Atma, it will need Karana. To know Ghata, I need Karana. To know, like Chakshurindriya, let us say, to know Ghata. To know Chakshurindriya, I need Buddhi, is another Karana. Then to know Buddhi, I will need another Karana. That is Karana, Karanantara. So there will be Anavastha iti che. Tasya hi grahyatve chakshuradi sthaniyena karanena bhavitavyam. Tasyapi grahyatve anyat karanam iti anavastham dushayati. Tasya hi grahyatve. If that buddhi becomes, here you say tasya as ghatadi. If ghatadi are grahya, chakshuradi will become karana. Then buddhi becomes grahya, vijnanam is grahya, tasyapi grahyatve. So 22nd, jnana vishayaka jnanasya. Jnana vishayaka jnanam, ghata jnana vishayaka jnanam, for that you need karana. Anyat karanam iti anavastham dushayati. 21 number tippani. Chakshuradi karanakam jnanam anyena jneyam chet. If chakshuradi karanaka jnanam is known by another jneya, tasya jnana vishayaka jnanasya karanantaram vachyam. Then that jnana vishayaka jnanam is having karanantaram vachyam. Vishaya vishaynor bhinna karanakatvasya eva drishtatvat. That karana by which vishaya is known, same karana cannot be used for vishayi. So ghata is known by chakshu, but chakshu is known by buddhi. So different karanas are used. Tasyapi jnanasya anya jneyatve. If knowledge is known by another object, whatever that thing is, anyat karanam vaktavyam. You need another karana. Grahya grahakabhyam arthantarasya karanasya avashyakatvat. Grahya is ghata. Grahaka is chakshu. Grahyakabhyam arthantarasya. Different artha, different object. Such karana is required, like buddhi, to know chakshurindriya. So somebody may say, what about chidabhasa? What karana do I need to know chidabhasa? Nothing. Nacha chidabhasa. Chidabhas cannot be jnanasya jnanam. Purvapakshi says. Why? Even though it is karana anapeksha, tasya aswarupatvena. It is anitya. Tad apeksha dravyat. Iti anavastha karanadvarika. Sustha. Iti abhipratya. It is aswarupa. It is anitya. So you need another karana. This is Purvapakshi's argument. Therefore, there will be anavastha. Chakshuradi karanaka vijnana rupa ityartha. Siddhanti says, na. Niyama bhavat. There is no niyama, like what you are saying, that it has to be illumined by a karana different from the karana which used to illumine the previous object. What is niyamabhava? Niyamabhavam sadhayati. Nahi sarvatra ayam niyamo bhavati. Everywhere this niyama is not there. Yatra vastvantarena grihyate vastvantaram tatra grahya grahaka vyatiriktam karanantaram syat iti na ekantena niyantum shakyate. Yatra vastvantarena grihyate vastvantaram. There where by another object vastvantarena vastvantaram grihyate, another object is known, tatra grahya grahaka vyatiriktam karanantaram syat. There grahya grahaka vyatirikta karanantaram is there. Na ekantena niyantum shakyate. That every time this rule is not must. Wherever an object like vastvantarena grihyate vastvantaram. The ghata is known by chakshu. Tatra grahya grahaka vyatiriktam karanantaram syat. So there it has to be different from ghata and different from chakshu. Another karana called buddhi. This niyama is not there all the time. Vaichitra darshanat, because there is Vaichitra here means exception. We see that there are exceptions to this rule. Vaichitra darshanam akanksha purvakam sputayati. Where have you seen these exemptions or exceptions? Katham घटस्तावत् स्वात्म व्यतिरिक्तेन आत्मना ग्राहकेण गृह्यते तत्र प्रदीपादि आलोको ग्राह्य ग्राहक व्यतिरिक्तं कारणम्. When ghata is known, then to know ghata you need a light different from ghata, like lamp or sunlight, which is grahya grahaka vyatiriktam karana. But when you have to know pradipa, you don't need another entity called aloka. Nahi pradipadi aloko ghatansh shascha chakshuramsho va. But if pradipadi aloka, if you have to see, you don't need ghata, you don't need chakshuramshaha. Chakshuramshaha. So it is not a part of chakshu. Pradipa is not part of chakshu. Pradipa is not part of ghata. Pradipadi aloko na ghatamshaha, na chakshuramshaha. So what he is saying, when ghata is known by something other than itself, Atmana, that 7 number Tippani, is to be seen as chakshusha. Tippanikar has clarified. Atmana, so when ghata is known by chakshu, other than ghata and chakshu, you need pradipa. Why? And he says, pradipa is neither ghatamsha nor chakshuramsha. Ghatavat chakshur grahyatve api pradipasya चक्षुः प्रदीप व्यतिरेकेण न बाह्यम आलोक स्थानीयम किंचित करणांतरम अपेक्षते. प्रदीप is also चक्षु ग्राह्य, घट is also चक्षुर ग्राह्य. But to know pradipa, you don't need bahya alokam. This is the vaichitriyam. So when Purvapakshi says tathapi katham vaichitriyam, this is the vaichitriyam. To illumine ghata, you need chakshu, but you also need aloka. To illumine pradipa, means a lit lamp, you need only chakshu, nothing else. Niyama bhavam upasamharati. So therefore it is proved there is no such niyama. Tasmat naiva niyantum shakyate yatra 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 vyatirikta grahyatvam tatra tatra karanantaram syadeva iti. Therefore, you cannot make this rule. Yatra yatra vyatirikta grahyatvam tatra tatra karanantaram. This rule is not there. Vyatirikta grahyatvam means other than itself, if there is something which illumines it, then it is not necessary that there has to be karana. You may not need any karana. Anavastha dvaya nirakaranam. So two anavasthas are eliminated. What are the two anavasthas? Grahaka anavastha, karana anavastha. 19 number tippani. Grahaka dwaraka, karana dwaraka anavastha dvaya. Both are eliminated. तस्माद् विज्ञानस्य व्यतिरिक्त ग्राहक ग्राह्यत्वे न करणद्वारा अनवस्था नापि ग्राहकत्व द्वारा अनवस्था. So now Vijnanam is Vijnanasya Vyatirikta Grahaka Grahyatve. Vijnanam is something Vyatirikta from the Grahya and Grahaka, both. Means it is different from Buddhi, it is different from Chakshuradi Indriya, but there is no Karana required by Sakshi to know Buddhi. And no another Grahaka is there of Sakshi also. Kadachidapi upapadaitum shakyate. बाह्यार्थवादित मत निराकरणम उपसंहरति. आदित
Bahyardhavadi Mata Swami.
where is it in which book?
Kailash books. Bahyardhavadi Mata.
I think that is correct. Bahyarthavadi matta nirakaranam upasamharati. That vadita is not needed. Takara you can remove. Tasmat siddham vijnana vyatiriktam atmajyoti irantaram. Vijnana atirikta is atmajyoti. Jyotirantaram. Bahyarthavadini dvaste Vijnanavadi chodayati. Now Bahyarthavadi, Vaibhashika, Sautrantika, both are eliminated. Now Vijnanavadi. Nanu nasti eva bahyo artho ghatadihi pradipo va Vijnana vyatirikta. Nasti eva bahyo artho. There is no external object like Ghatadi, Pradipa, etc. According to Kshanik Vijnana, it is only Vijnana. Vijnana Vyatirikta Vastu is not there. Bahyartho Vijnana Atirikto Nasti iti atra pramanam aha yad hi yad vyatirekena na upalabhyate tat tavan matram vastu drishtam. Yad hi yad vyatirekena na upalabhyate. If something is not available without a thing, then it is that thing alone. So this is like without mind, I cannot see the external world. Therefore, external world is nothing but mind. Tasmin vinashte sakalam vinashtam vijrumbitesmin sakalam vijrumbate. When mind is, world is. Mind is not, world is not. So this is their siddhanta. They both thus they say Kshanik Vijnanam is there, external world is there. Without Kshanik Vijnanam, there is no world. So therefore there is no world really speaking. anything that has dependent existence is really non-existent. नोपलभ्यते च जागृत वस्तु जागृत विज्ञान व्यतिरेकेण इति शेषः. जागृत वस्तु is not available without the जागृत विज्ञान क्षणिक विज्ञान. दृष्टान्तं समर्थयते. यथा स्वप्न विज्ञान ग्राह्यम घटपटादि वस्तु स्वप्न विज्ञान व्यतिरेकेण अनुपलम्भात् स्वप्न घट प्रदीपादेः स्वप्न विज्ञान मात्रता अवगम्यते. स्वप्न विज्ञान ग्राह्य in the dream, whatever objects I grasp, ghata pata etc. Other than swapna vijnana, it is nothing. There are no objects. Yatha swapne tatha jagrat. Vijnana vyatirekena anupalambhat. So swapna ghata pradipadi are like that. Ghata pradipa etc. They are only swapna vijnana. Swapna vijnana matrata avagamyate. For 20 years, if we go on listening, there is no world other than mind. There is no world other than external. There is no external world other than mind, other than this Chaitanya. Then from Drashta, Atma, mind, and Bahya Jagat, at least one will be eliminated. Then you will have only two, Atma, mind, Atma, mind. Then another 20 years you listen, then mind will be negated. By then, my desire for doing something in the external world, accomplishing something, etc., all will go away. No desires will be there. I will not find any reason to seek anything outside. As long as I need something from outside and I have so much passion to do things outside, no matter how much you hear, there is no external world other than Vijnanam, other than mind. You hear something in Mandukya, nothing will happen. Because you love outside world. You cannot let go of giving importance to the outside world. So we may memorize shlokas, we may memorize karikas. Outside world, if it is important, and you are not going to reach anywhere. You let go of it, forget accomplishing anything outside. Then only you are actually going to enjoy the teaching firsthand. You will know, yes, exactly, there is nothing outside. तथा जागृते अपि यथा स्वप्ने तथा जागृते अपि घट प्रदीपादेर जागृत विज्ञान व्यतिरेकेण अनुपलम्भात्. So जागृत ज्ञानम is there, then objects are known. जागृत विज्ञान मात्रता एव युक्ता भवितुम्. So objects are nothing but जागृत विज्ञान मात्र. This is दृष्टान्तं समर्थयते स्वप्ने. दाष्टान्तिकं विवृणोति तथा जागृत. उक्तम अनुमानम उपसंहरति. तस्मान् नास्ति बाह्यो अर्थो घट प्रदीपादीर विज्ञान मात्रम एव तु सर्वम्. There is no external object, external world, the only विज्ञानम विज्ञानम विज्ञानम. सर्वम विज्ञान मात्रम इति स्थिते फलितमः. What is the result of this analysis? तत्र यदुक्तं विज्ञानस्य व्यतिरिक्त अवभास्यत्वात् विज्ञान व्यतिरिक्तम् अस्ति ज्योतिरंतरम घटादेरिव इति तन्मिथ्या. Therefore, whatever you said, that other than Vijnanam, there is some Jyoti, Chaitanya, Vyatirikta avabhasyatvat, Vijnana Vyatirikta, is all false. Kimiti tasya mithyatvam tatraha sarvasya Vijnana matratve drishtanta abhavat. This is Drishtanta Bhavat, 9 number. This we will have to see in the next session. Okay. Om. The last line we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।